your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make something different from your regular shortbread biscuits with, let's find out. The three main ingredients for this shortbread biscuits are butter. This is 125 grams of butter at room temperature, powdered sugar, and flour. The optional thing is honey. First step is to add the butter to your bowl and mix. Teaspoon of honey. Your hands will need to work. Need for about 5 minutes. You mold into this shape, set on your plastic wrap. It's 1 hour already. To get to the next stage, you can either use a tray or the oven tray, whichever one is convenient. All the cracks together. Roll again to make sure all sides are equal. You need a rule and pastry cutter. If you do not have a rule, you can use a wooden spatula. Here we are. For this first part, it's a square. The second part will be a rectangle. But still, you can make all of yours same shape all over. As you can see, the square shape, the rectangular, and this. Our shortbread is ready, and it's time to cut them while they are still hot. You split carefully so they don't get broken. Once they get cold, you put them in an airtight container and munch as you wish. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time.